The DASH diet, or Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is a scientifically researched diet plan aimed primarily at reducing high blood pressure, known as hypertension. Developed in the 1990s by researchers funded by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, the DASH diet was specifically designed to lower blood pressure without the need for medication. Since its inception, the DASH diet has proven highly effective, not only for managing hypertension, but also for improving overall health, reducing cholesterol, and even aiding in weight loss. The DASH diet emphasizes a balanced approach to eating, prioritizing foods that are naturally rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, minerals known to help control blood pressure. Additionally, the diet encourages a reduction in sodium intake, which is one of the main contributors to hypertension. In this article, we'll explore the principles, benefits, and guidelines of the DASH diet, as well as provide tips for incorporating it into daily life. The foundation of the DASH diet is a balanced intake of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products, while limiting foods high in saturated fats, cholesterol, and added sugars. Unlike many fad diets that may require extreme restrictions, the DASH diet is more about balance and moderation. It aligns with dietary guidelines recommended by health professionals and is thus often considered a sustainable, long-term approach to eating. Here's a breakdown of the main food groups emphasized in the DASH diet. 1. Fruits and vegetables. These foods are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, which can help offset the effects of sodium and lower blood pressure. Fruits and vegetables are also high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them key components of the DASH diet. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, whole wheat pasta, oats, and quinoa provide fiber, which is beneficial for heart health and digestion. They also offer a steady source of energy, making them a staple of the DASH diet. 3. Lean proteins. While red meat is limited, the DASH diet includes lean proteins like poultry, fish, and plant-based options such as beans and lentils. These sources of protein support muscle health without the added cholesterol and saturated fats found in higher-fat meats. 4. Low-fat dairy. Low-fat or fat-free dairy products like yogurt, milk, and cheese are important sources of calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for bone health and help in regulating blood pressure. 5. Nuts, seeds, and legumes. These foods provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a nutritious addition to meals. They are also high in magnesium, which plays a role in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. 6. Healthy fats. The DASH diet encourages the use of heart-healthy fats, primarily from sources like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. It limits saturated fats found in foods like fatty cuts of meat, full-fat dairy, and processed foods. 7. Reduced sodium. One of the cornerstones of the DASH diet is reducing sodium intake, as excessive salt consumption can lead to higher blood pressure. The diet recommends a daily sodium intake of no more than 2,300 milligrams, about 1 teaspoon, and ideally 1,500 milligrams for those seeking more significant blood pressure control. The DASH diet is best known for its ability to lower blood pressure, but its benefits extend beyond heart health. Here are some of the key health benefits associated with the DASH diet. 1. Lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. By focusing on foods rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, the DASH diet helps balance the effects of sodium in the body. Studies have shown that the DASH diet can lower blood pressure within just 2 weeks, making it one of the most effective dietary interventions for hypertension. 2. Improving heart health. Since the DASH diet emphasizes nutrient-dense, low-sodium foods, it helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL levels, which reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The diet's focus on fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats supports overall heart health and decreases the likelihood of heart-related complications. 3. Supporting weight loss. The DASH diet can aid in weight loss when combined with portion control and regular physical activity. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods and reducing added sugars and saturated fats, the diet helps people naturally consume fewer calories, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 4. Preventing diabetes. The DASH diet can also help prevent and manage type 2 diabetes. The emphasis on whole grains, lean proteins, and low glycemic fruits and vegetables can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, and lower the risk of developing diabetes. 5. Reducing cancer risk. High intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the body with antioxidants and phytochemicals, which may reduce the risk of certain cancers. The DASH diet's emphasis on nutrient-rich foods helps protect cells from damage and supports the immune system. The DASH diet is based on several core principles that make it effective for reducing blood pressure and promoting health. Here are some guidelines for following the diet. 1. Eat a variety of foods. The DASH diet emphasizes a diverse intake of food groups. Instead of focusing on specific superfoods, it encourages a balance of fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins for overall health. 2. Limit processed and fast foods. These foods are often high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. Preparing meals at home with fresh ingredients allows for better control over sodium intake and ensures a higher quality of nutrition. 3. Watch portion sizes. Portion control is crucial for managing calorie intake, which is particularly important for weight management. The DASH diet recommends modest portions, emphasizing quality over quantity. 4. Reduce sugar intake. Added sugars contribute to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The DASH diet suggests limiting sugary drinks, sweets, and desserts, replacing them with natural options like fruits. 5. Focus on nutrient-rich choices. Foods rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium should be prioritized to support blood pressure control. Examples include bananas, leafy greens, dairy products, and legumes. The DASH diet is versatile and can be adapted to meet individual needs, making it suitable for most people. However, those with specific dietary restrictions, such as lactose intolerance or allergies, may need to adjust their food choices accordingly. If you're uncertain about whether the DASH diet is right for you, consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian who can help customize the diet based on your health goals.